Welcome, in front of me is a LENOVO K6 and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started you will want to hold the power key. From here select power off, confirm it, and once the device turns off, simply hold power key and the volume down at the same time. So both of those keys. And it will immediately boot into Fastboot mode, as you can see right over here. So that is how you boot it into this mode, and to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key till the device turns off. So I'm gonna do it right now. Now you will need to hold it for about like 10 seconds or longer, as you will see right here. There we go. And once the screen turns off, you can let go of the key, and this will automatically reboot the device and take you back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.